后来来是辉达公司的执行长王仁芬，这届来台湾，主要是拜访因的供应链。听讲，伊昨暝已经甲广达的副董事长食饭，可能嘛拜访广达的董事长林碧理，甲技嘉的总经理李基泰。不过两间公司拢无证实。王仁芬接受到专访上新的影片，是咧讲伊创业的过程。伊讲创办着辉达这间公司，比伊所想的要搁较困难。Building
a company and building a video turned out to have been a million times harder than I expected it to be.
香港的真简单，要做是将硬到，伊的教父吴仁芬想要创办辉达的过程是万事起头难。
At that time, if we realized the pain and suffering and just how vulnerable you're going to feel, and the challenges that you're going to endure. The embarrassment and the shame and the list of all the things that go wrong. I don't think anybody would start a company. Nobody in their right mind would do it. And I think that's kind of the superpower of a entrepreneur.
吴仁芬创业初期要去见辉达早期的投资人进前，佮特别买册做准备，结果面谈进前，商业计划书根本就还未写完，互伊感觉这声无希望啊。不过对方也是愿意甲伊投资，佮甲伊讲，甲互我了钱，你就知。即摆辉达正做 GPU 龙头厂，会当讲是全控制 AI 领域。
Net generation of jobs doesn't guarantee that any one human doesn't get fired. Okay, I mean that's obviously true, and it's more likely that someone will lose a job to someone else, some other human that uses an AI. The first thing that everybody should do is learn how to use AI so that they can augment their own productivity.
好用每一个人拢爱学 AI， 人工智慧市场需求嘛在咧变多。韩国媒体报道，辉达的美一拍本正明年第4季发表，有机会伫咧第2季提早公开。韩厂 SK 海力士会正做供应商，都专家认为推广这款全新的 AI 晶片，就是吴仁芬来台湾的主要目的。听讲吴仁芬已经和广达副董杨楚静食过饭，卖拜访广达董事长林碧理和技嘉总经理李基泰。不过广达和技嘉拢还未证实。拜访台厂的消息，地头团看出吴仁芬想要把辉达的实力扩复在，安尼世界就能看见台湾 AI 供应链的大鹏商机。
Hello， 我是林仙怡，想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。